If your Android is stuck in Fastboot mode, don't worry. In this video, we'll cover all the solutions, including the quickest and most effective way to fix it. Let's get started. Part 1. How do I fix an Android stuck in Fastboot mode in 8 ways? Fix 1. Restart your Android phone. Fix 2. Remove the battery. Fix 4. Get your phone into recovery mode. Fix 5. Utilize Android multi-tools. Fix 6. Use ADB and Fastboot tool. Fix 7. Flash stock firmware. Fix 8. Flash custom recovery. Part 2. Ultimate fix to Android stuck in Fastboot mode effective. Android stuck in Fastboot mode can be fixed with Android Repair. Just remember to back up your data first, as repairs may cause data loss. Step 1. Launch the installed software on your computer and go to the System Repair section located on the main interface. Step 2. Connect your device to the computer using a USB cable and choose the Android Repair option. Review the information presented and click on Start. Step 3. Enter the details of your device and click Next. Then, input 00000 and select Confirm. Step 4a. For devices that have a home button, turn off your phone. Then press and hold the Home, Power, and Volume Down buttons simultaneously for 10 seconds. Release all buttons, and then press the Volume Up button to enter download mode. Step 4a. Turn off your phone. Press Home, Power, and Volume Down for 10 seconds. Then Volume Up to enter download mode. Step 5. Click Next to download firmware and fix the Fastboot issue.